Help Center Tutorials. How to view your product stock status from the web. It is likely that you need to view the stock status of your network of stores or your central purchasing unit in order to plan a restocking, or for other reasons. To achieve this, simply follow these steps. Log into your administrator interface from the web or on your myPrecision mobile application. On the sidebar on the left side of your screen, scroll down to the Inventory Management section and then go to the Stock or Product Status section. Thus, you will be able to choose between consulting either the stock status of each of your products by going to Status by Product, or the stock status of each of your points of sale by going to Stock Status by Store. Viewing the stock status by product. To view the stock status by product, you just have to choose the type of product you are interested in the Product Type field. Choose the search filter in the Search field. In other words, you have to choose the way you want to search in the next field. For example, if you want to search the product by its name, choose Product. So in the field Search for a product, enter the name of the category, the brand, the supplier, the title or the barcode of the product according to what you have chosen as filter in the previous field. The result of your search will appear and you will be able to consult the stock of the product in question in each of your stores, in your purchasing center or in your laboratory or warehouse by going respectively on the first tab, the second and the third. To view more details, press the small arrow on the right that points down. Viewing the stock status by store or point of sale. After choosing to consult your stock status by store, it will be necessary for you to choose the city of the store which interests you from the column on your left. Then select the store. You will then be able to view the stock status of the store you have chosen. Note that it is possible for you to display less details by going to Filter Columns. Make changes to the data by pressing the button with the illustration of a gear. But also to consult closely the details of the movements of each product by pressing the blue button on the far right on the line related to each product.